1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass Salon. Powered by a 5-liter V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC, although we have not had the AC blowing cold. It's actually owned by the same family since new, and it's time for them to part with it. Wasn't getting any use and had sat in storage for some time, believed to be original miles. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, because you want to see the underside and engine bay, interior, some of the things I'm going to talk about when I walk around in this video, check out the still pictures so you can take a look at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Now, paint in this car, it does show its age. Some appears to be original paint. There's touch-ups. There's spots where there's some rust. Underneath, there is some issues as far as with the frame. Just want to announce that up front. This car will take some TLC to get it back to the way it was originally. Now, as far as it running and driving, yes, we've had it running. It drives frontage road, around parking lot, out in the area here where we're at. Have had it running and driving. And you can see interior appears to be stock with the exception of the Super Tuner, Pioneer radio, and then an equalizer there also. Again, some light scratching, and you'll see that in the still pictures, what I'm talking about. And we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. Here's some areas we have some corrosion in the bottom of the deck lid or the trunk lid. Filler panels all seem to be intact as far as that rear fascia or bumper area. Over 100 pictures of this car online too, top to bottom, so you'll be able to see the undersides where I'm talking about, interior. And we're going to start it up. Let's hear it run here at the end too. Again, some corrosion or rusting. Couple more areas. Again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It'll take you right there. Take a peek up and down the driver's side here. Again, paint, does show its age some. Odometer reads a little over 80,000 miles. It's believed to be original miles on this car. Judging by the interior, I would believe that. Door panels. You'll be able to see pictures underneath the doors in the still pictures. I have the floor mats up so you can see the carpeting in the still pictures. Seats don't show a ton of wear. Not bad there. But there's some. Headliner was good in it. All right, let's go and fire it up. There's your exact miles, 80,081. Clean Carfax. There's no accidents on it, anything like that. There's the Pioneer dash speakers. Dash not in bad shape either. There's a brake light on, FYI. Let you hear it run quick here. Check out the engine bay. See if I can get this one-handed.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Again, 5-liter V8, power steering, power brakes, AC components appear to be here. Not had it blowing cold, would still be R12. Sounds like a little exhaust leak. That gives you an idea. And there is a checklist on this car when we ran through our shop with the technician, so you can consult with a sales associate and like kind of go down that with you. Like I said, we'll take a little TLC. So we have at it running driving around our shop here, Frontage Road. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can sure assist with transportation on this one.